Hey everybody, Carl Campbell here with Wet Sounds National Trainer. Today in this workshop, we're going to be talking about clamps, we're going to be talking about the A-Link system, and we're going to be talking about a couple of the transom remotes we offer the marine market. So let's get started. So when it comes to Wet Sounds clamps, we have multiple patents on the products that you use on your boat. And the reason why is because we want to make these clamps able to handle any stress that boat is going to have slapping against the wake or going 60 miles an hour across the lake. The nice thing is we use a process called lost wax sand forming, and it takes over 7 days to make just one clamp. Each piece of this is painstakingly made and molded and then formed out of one piece of metal. There's no weld points, there's no weak spots for this clamp to fail. And that's why these clamps are a little pricey as some of the other marketplaces go. But what's really great is on the swivel clamp itself, spin, and you can take this clamp apart and have it pull your speaker off the tower, stash it away if you roll into a marina that maybe isn't the nicest area of the boating community, or if you're storing the boat for the winter, you can take your speaker off, store it away for the winter, and your clamp still stays mounted. And then in less than 60 seconds time, with this one little pin, you can lock it back in place. So it's a very versatile system. And all the RGB wiring comes pre-mounted through the system, making it even easier for the installers to handle any type of lighting they may want to put on those cool tower speakers that are up there. So we offer multiple solutions for all different types of boats. The swivel clamp is going to cover probably about 95% of the boats in the marketplace. But if you do have those weird Mastercrafts or Nautiques or Malibu boats that take a custom clamp, well, we make those too. So we have a cross-reference guide. You can reach out to our sales team at the 800 number that's on our website, and they'll be happy to go through each model of boat if you're in question of what mount you really do need for your boat. So if you want to keep that party going and spread the party around the cove, A-Link is your solution for that. It lets you be able to transmit and someone else can receive signals, and you can share your music and keep the party going in multiple vehicles. The A-Link gives you like 500 meters of range, which is over 1,500 feet of distance, which is with almost no latency from boat to boat or ATV, golf cart to golf cart. These can be used for any number of things. What's great is you simply have an in and an out on this unit. You can hook up a phone, you can hook up an audio source of your choice, and the second one has the output. This goes into the other boat or the other connector with a 3.5 millimeter plug that can plug into 3.5 to USB or however you want to connect the system. But the great ability of these is you can connect multiple devices together, multiple vehicles together, multiple locations together, and have continuous audio run throughout your cove. You can have one transmitter and up to 4 receivers on this system. It's used what's called ska, which is a 2.4 gigahertz frequency bandwidth. So you don't get interference from cell phones, you don't get interference from Bluetooth, and you have a great sound quality that is transmitted between these devices. And the price point on these you can't beat. They're a super affordable solution for expanding your audio, whether it's for your home, your car, your vehicle, your boat, your ATVs. You can use these for almost anything that you really want to. Now, when it comes to functionality of your system in your boat, a lot of people want to have additional locations where they can control the audio. And that's when you talk about transom remotes. We have multiple different ones that we have in our stock that will give you functionality of whatever you may need. You may want something with just simple volume up and down, track up and down, or you may want full control where you have display, volume control, zone control. You have a lot of different options when it comes to transom remote capabilities with Wet Sounds. A lot of it's going to depend on what head unit you have in your boat, but the great thing about that is we offer multiple solutions no matter what you might have. So if you're looking for multiple locations to control audio in your boat, There's a lot of different solutions that Wet Sounds can offer you. You just need to know what you need, and we're going to have the solution for you. I want to thank everybody for watching the workshop today. If you have additional questions concerning Wet Sounds or on the A-Link, on the clamps, on the transom remotes, just reach out to info@wetsounds.com. Our website is always available, wetsounds.com, or call our 800 number, which is also available on our website. Or if you have my information, reach out to me directly. I'm happy to give you any information you may need.